Tokyo's father was the emperor of Japan's favorite samurai. The samurai loved his daughter, and she loved him. Tokoyo's father was a good teacher. He taught her how to swim, how to use a knife and a bow and arrow. One day, Tokoyo's father visited the emperor, but the emperor was confused. He was confused because he was ill. Go to the island of Oki and don't come back. The emperor told Tokoyo's father. The samurai went to Oki, and Tokoyo cried every day. Then Tokoyo thought, I must find father. Tokoyo traveled for many weeks. One day she saw the sea and the island of Oki. There was a village near the sea. Please take me to the island, Tokoyo said to the villagers. No, they said. We're frightened of the sea because a serpent lives there. Tokoyo found an old boat. Voices from the sea cried, Go back! Tokoyo was brave, and she went to Oki in the boat. Then she saw a man and a girl at the top of a cliff. The girl was very frightened. Tokoyo ran to the cliff. Why are you in this dangerous place? She cried. I must throw the girl in the sea, said the man. Every year we have to throw a girl to the serpent, then it doesn't kill people in our village. Tokoyo was angry. I can kill the serpent, she cried. Tokoyo carried her knife in her mouth, and she swam to the bottom of the sea. She found a statue of the emperor, and she found the serpent. Tokoyo was very brave, and she killed the serpent with her knife. She took the serpent's body to the man and the girl. You helped us, said the girl. How can we help you? Please find my father, said Tokoyo. The emperor sent him to Oki. The girl smiled. Your father is living in our village, she said, and she took Tokoyo to him. Her father went home. The emperor is well now, people said. Then let's visit him, said Tokoyo's father. The emperor smiled at them. Then he said, What is that? I killed a serpent and I found this statue of you, said Tokoyo. There was a curse on that statue. I am well because you killed the serpent and found that statue, said the emperor. You are brave, Tokoyo. You can be a samurai now. Tokoyo and her father were very happy.